back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope everyone is having an absolutely amazing day. As you can see from the description below, today we are going to be unboxing the April 2019 Gazelle Beauty Box. I'm really excited. They seem to have made quite a few changes, and I think they're positive changes. So I am super happy to have the chance to review their new box. They have been around for a while. I know it used to kind of come like in like a mailer bag, but now they have this gorgeous box, which I think is, like I said, gorgeous. For those of you that do not know, Gazelle Beauty Box is a $24.99 a month subscription, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. You receive 4 to 7 full-size items every month. You do get a free gift when you sign up. It says, our subscription is filled with items that every woman can enjoy. Each month our box is curated around products ranging from widely known brands and up-and-coming brands. We offer great beauty finds, wonderful style pieces, home decor treasures, and skincare. Plus more items to inspire you to live your best life. And I do know that they have a code. If you sign up right now, you can get like they said, a free gift. And also they do have the option, if you want to go ahead and prepay for like 3 months, it'll save you a couple dollars each month. So that is awesome. I will make sure to put a link down below to their site. Otherwise, let's get to unboxing. And again, I think this box is just so cute. So also, before I forget, I do have a current giveaway going on. It does end on April 18th. It is in my Disney Villains ColourPop video, so head over and check that out. And what you could win is one of the Brie robes from the Show Me Your Moo Moo robe from FabFitFun, and a brand new Michael Kors wallet. So definitely head over and check out that. Like I said, it ends on the 18th, so you do still have some time to get entered. Otherwise, let's get into this bad boy. So, it was taped. I just cut it. I just went ahead and cut it. So this is what we see when we open it. There's a card on top. I'm going to put that to the side. And then it looks like a bag, like a makeup bag. So we're going to move this over. We're going to peel it back. And we have lots of squigglies. So we'll wait a second and then we'll get into the squigglies. I'm going to read the card. I don't drop the box. Okay, this is just going over telling us everything in there. So we're not going to look just yet. So, first item, which we already kind of saw, is this cute makeup bag. This is actually a really, really good sized makeup bag. I mean, that would hold quite a bit, and such fun spring colors. And it feels like it's good quality. So, yay for a really nice makeup bag. Oh, it's a Clinique bag. Like, there's still, I was like, this was like a really nice bag. I just realized there's actually still like plastic over it, but there it does say this is a Clinique bag. Okay, so yay for a Clinique makeup bag. And then let me move some of these squigglies. And then this is what we see. So we have this one product here on top, and then quite a few underneath. So let's get into the goodies. So the first thing I am pulling off, I am super excited about because I love sheet mask. If you guys have watched my videos, you know that. So this is from e.l.f. This is a lemon infused brightening mask, like a halo for your face. This sheet mask brightens the skin for a radiant looking complexion. So yay for a sheet mask. And you could have gotten either the brightening mask or a smoothing mask. So I'm actually glad, I can't talk, glad I got the brightening mask. I definitely think the lemon infused will be refreshing, so yay. And then, let's see. Oh, this is interesting. Okay. So we have a loose leaf tea in a tropical breeze. Let's see. Fruity, delightful, great for digestion. It's you steep 1 teaspoon for 3 to 5 minutes. This vial makes 5 to 9 cups. So that's actually a good amount. And this is by Simplicity Teas. So yay. That'll be good. Can always enjoy yummy teas. And then we have a Blender Duo brush by Crown right here. So it looks like one side definitely would be like maybe blush. I would use this for highlighting or buffing out, blending out any contour, which that's what it says. Our Blender Duo brush. So that is awesome to get a Crown brush. Yay, I'm excited for that. Sorry, Oscar's barking in the back. And then we also got, okay, so then it says plus items that are customized for you. So, okay. So this first thing I'm pulling out, okay, oh, I see you, Gazelle, I see you. This is from Redken. This is Pillow Proof Blow Dry 2-Day Extender. It is an oil absorbing dry shampoo. So, yay. I've never tried a dry shampoo from Redken, but I certainly will be now. So, yay for dry shampoo. And then we have, and I'm guessing Fresh is the brand, Soy Face Cleanser for all skin types, rich in amino acids, gently cleanses face and eyes. So we have a facial cleanser. Can always use those. And then we have from Derma E. This is their therapeutic scar gel. It says for new scars, apply 2 to 3 times daily for 8 weeks. For older scars, apply twice a day for 3 to 6 months. So there is that. So that's cool. And then we have one more product right here, nicely bubble wrapped. And I'm excited about this. This is the NYX Sugar Trip Squad Highlighting Palette. You could have received this or the Crown Brush Highlighter Illuminator Palette. So I'm actually glad we got the NYX. I received some of their Sugar Trip stuff in the advent calendar that I did, and it was awesome. So, ooh. This is a highlighting palette, but you guys, these shades are gorgeous. And it is a little magnetic, so it does close. But do y'all see these shades? And they are all so shimmery. These are gorgeous. So, so gorgeous. So, yay. So we got the NYX Sugar Trip Squad Highlight Palette. Awesome. We got the Derma E Scar Gel. The Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. The e.l.f. Lemon Infused Brightening Mask. The Redken Dry Shampoo, the Crown Duo Blending Brush, the Simplicity Teas Tropical Breeze Loose Leaf Tea. And like I said, this is 5 to 9 cups. And this super cute Clinique makeup bag. So I think Gazelle has blown it away. I personally think they have absolutely 110% knocked this out of the park. I think they definitely, like I said, stepped up their game and improved their subscription, and I am loving this. So let me know down below what you guys thought. You know, did you get Gazelle? Do you get Gazelle? Do you think the improvements are awesome? I know I certainly do. I couldn't have asked for a better combination of items in a box. I think this was fantastic. And you know, again, please do give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed. I hope you all have a fabulous day, and I will talk with you guys with the next video. Bye.